Dad, the internet's out again. Dad, Optus went out again.
What do you think I'm going to do about it? I was born in 1967, cars didn't even have disc brakes. Oh, I'll go and sort this out.
This internet keeps dropping out all the time. I wish Dad would just change it.
Righto boys, I fixed it. Ha! They just sent me a letter, they're putting the price up. Not anymore.